Hi viewers, welcome to ChemEasy. In this video, let us discuss about the synthesis, characteristic reactions and medicinal uses of one of the important heterocyclic compound, that is pyrrole. Pyrrole is a 5-membered ring heterocyclic compound with one heteroatom. Before watching this video, subscribe ChemEasy to learn chemistry easily. There are many methods to synthesize pyrrole. Here I will give you three simple methods for the preparation of pyrrole. In method 1, pyrrole can be synthesized by passing a mixture of acetylene and ammonia through a red hot tube. See the reaction. Here two molecules of acetylene with ammonia passed through a red hot tube gives pyrrole. In second method, pyrrole can be synthesized by heating succinimide with zinc dust. So this is a structure of succinimide. It's an imide. By heating with zinc dust can produce pyrrole. In another one method, pyrrole can be synthesized by warming succinic dialdehyde with ammonia. You can see the structure here. So this is the structure of succinic dialdehyde. This on warming with ammonia can produce pyrrole. Next, let us go to characteristic reactions of pyrrole. Before going to reactions, note down the numbering for the pyrrole structure. This position, that is the position where the heteroatom nitrogen is present, gets number 1. Then this will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. In which position 2 and 5 are alpha positions and position 3 and 4 are beta positions. Under characteristic reactions of pyrrole, first one, electrophilic substitution reaction. When compared to benzene, the pi electron density at the carbon atom of the pyrrole ring is very high due to resonance. So pyrrole is very reactive towards electrophiles, and the high reactivity of the pyrrole is also due to the relatively stable structure 3 of the second position substituted pyrrole. You can see here, these are the resonance structures when electrophile attacks the position 2 of the pyrrole. In this, you can see this structure 3. So this is relatively stable structure, and in this structure all the atom has an octet of electrons, and this nitrogen accommodates the positive charge simply by sharing 4 pairs of electrons. Pyrrole undergoes electrophilic substitution preferentially at either of the second positions followed by third positions. The predominance of second position substituted product over 3 is because of the positive charge in the transition state in second position substituted product is delocalized over 3 atoms as compared to 2 in third position substituted product. So the intermediate from position 2 attack has less energy, that is more stable than the intermediate from position 3 attack. Here you can understand easily why the second position attack of electrophile is preferred than the third position attack. Here the E plus indicates electrophile. This electrophile attacks the second position of pyrrole, and these 3 resonance forms are possible in which the positive charge is delocalized over 3 atoms. You see, this is positive charge in one atom. This is another one atom here in another atom. It means the positive charge delocalized over 3 atoms, and these are more stable. From this we are getting this second position substituted product. Suppose if the electrophile attacks position 3, these two resonance forms are possible in which the positive charge is delocalized over only two atoms. So here one more position, and these are less stable, and this one is third position substituted product. Whenever these two positions are substituted, then only these two positions will be filled. And the electrophilic substitution reactions of pyrrole are not carried out in the presence of strong acids or reagents which can give strong acids, because under this condition pyrrole undergoes polymerization. Let's see some example for electrophilic substitution reactions of pyrrole. Nitration of pyrrole can be done by using cold solution of nitric acid in acetic anhydride. So here pyrrole nitrated with nitric acid in acetic anhydride at 10 degrees Celsius gives 2-nitropyrrole. Here the second position of pyrrole is substituted with the nitro group, that is electrophile. Then the pyrrole can be sulfonated by sulfur trioxide in pyridine at 100 degrees Celsius. So if we sulfonate the pyrrole with sulfur trioxide in pyridine, which gives pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid, here also in second position the electrophile is substituted. Since the halogenation reaction takes place vigorously, it requires careful control of reaction condition. Under halogenation, there are three reactions, that is chlorination, bromination and iodination. Here we can get tetrahalogenated pyrrole. For example, for the chlorination of pyrrole, sulfuryl chloride in ether at 0 degrees Celsius used. So by this chlorination process, it gives 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. For bromination, we can use bromine in ethanol at 0 degrees Celsius. After bromination, 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole can be obtained. In the same way, for the iodination of pyrrole, iodine in aqueous solution of potassium iodide used. Pyrrole on iodination with iodine in aqueous potassium iodide solution gives 2,3,4,5 tetraiodopyrrole. Next one is formylation. Pyrrole can be formilated by three different reactions. One is Gattermann reaction, second one Wills-Meyer reaction, and the third one is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. For Gattermann reaction, pyrrole can be formilated using a mixture of hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of Lewis acid. Here aluminum chloride used as a Lewis acid, which can give pyrrole 2-carboxaldehyde. In Wills-Meyer reaction, pyrrole is treated with dimethyl formamide and phosphorus oxychloride mixture, which also gives pyrrole 2-carboxaldehyde. And under Reimer-Tiemann reaction, pyrrole treated with chloroform in caustic alkali, it means with chloroform and potassium hydroxide, gives pyrrole 2-carboxaldehyde. Then the second position of pyrrole can be acetylated by Friedel-Crafts reaction. Pyrrole with acetic anhydride at 250 degrees Celsius acetylated at position 2 and gives 2-acetyl pyrrole. But in case of alkylation, if the pyrrole is treated with the alkyl iodide at 60 degrees Celsius, second position substitution not takes place. Here we are getting N-methyl pyrrole. It means the position 1 is alkylated, This N-methyl pyrrole at high temperature isomerized to 2-methyl pyrrole and also as 3-methyl pyrrole. Then in case of coupling reactions, pyrrole undergoes coupling reaction with benzene diazonium chloride in presence of sodium acetate. Here the second position is substituted and gives 2-phenylazopyrrole. Carboxylation of pyrrole can be done by two ways. In one way, pyrrole with carbon tetrachloride and potassium hydroxide can be carboxylated at position 2 and gives pyrrole 2 carboxylic acid. In another way, by means of Cold-Schmidt reaction, it can be carboxylated. Here with carbon dioxide at 120 degrees Celsius, the second position of pyrrole is carboxylated. Whenever the pyrrole reacts with Grignard reagent, that is alkyl magnesium halide, the position 1 is substituted, not position 2. Here we are getting pyrrole N magnesium bromide. Next one is oxidation reaction. When pyrrole is oxidized by chromium trioxide in acetic acid, it produces maleic imide. Then coming to the reduction reaction, when pyrrole reduced with zinc and acetic acid, it is partially reduced and gives 2,5 dihydropyrrole, which is called as pyrroline. Further reduction of this pyrroline with red phosphorus in presence of hydriodic acid will be completely reduced and gives pyrrolidine. So this one is tetrahydropyrrole, and this pyrrolidine can be obtained directly from pyrrole by catalytic reduction. When pyrrole treated with formaldehyde and dimethylamine produces 2-dimethyl-aminomethyl pyrrole, this reaction is called as Mannich reaction. Whenever pyrrole treated with sodium methoxide and methylene iodide produces pyridine, here the 5-membered ring pyrrole is converted to 6-membered ring pyridine. This reaction is called as ring expansion reaction. Next one is ring opening reaction of pyrrole. By this reaction, the heterocyclic ring of pyrrole is opened and it gives open chain compound. For example, pyrrole when treated with hot ethanolic hydroxylamine undergoes ring opening and produces dioxime of succin dialdehyde. It means succin dialdoxime is produced, which is open chain structure. Pyrrole is present as a basic nucleus or part of a structure in many medicinal compounds which are used for the treatment of various disorders. Here we will see some examples of the drugs which consists of pyrrole nucleus. First example is atorvastatin, which consists of pyrrole nucleus. Atorvastatin is an HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor used to lower lipid levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, including myocardial infarction and stroke. In this structure, pyrrole nucleus is present. You can see here. Second one is tolmetin, which is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, that is NSAID, used to treat acute flares of various painful conditions and used for the long-term management of osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and juvenile arthritis. So this is the structure of tolmetin. In this, pyrrole nucleus is present. Next one is glimepiride, which is used to treat type 2 diabetes mellitus. This is the structure of glimepiride in which the partially reduced pyrrole is present. It means the pyrrolin 2,5-dihydropyrrole is present. In enalapril, pyrrolidine nuclease is present. Enalapril is used to treat high blood pressure, congestive heart failure, kidney problems caused by diabetes, and to improve survival after a heart attack. You can see this is a structure of enalapril in which here pyrrole nuclease is present. It means which is completely reduced form of pyrrole called pyrrolidine. And the last example is captopril. Captopril used in the treatment of high blood pressure, heart failure, and used to prevent kidney failure due to high BP and diabetes. In the structure of captopril, pyrrolidine nuclease is present.